lost all my money. Keep the change.
What's with all this trash?
The city is not the same, Cooper.
Hello, Detective Dent. I just got back yesterday. What's with all this trash?
The car you were trying to catch is just the tip of the iceberg.
I know him. His name is Ivan the Outage. I caught him last time.
Well, Ivan and his brother Biff the tow truck escaped 2 weeks ago. We're still trying to catch them. Something is brewing, Cooper. Something is brewing. Join me tomorrow for some detective work. I'm still trying to put all the puzzle pieces together. Be very quiet, Cooper.
Needs more trash, especially plastic. It burns harder and darker.
We're trying our best, Rust.
Not good enough. This is my last batch going to. I need more by tomorrow. What about the scrap metal? The boss said he needs one more batch of metal. You two are going to the port tomorrow.
We must go now.
Make sure the scrap metal will be delivered to him on time. Hurry! I think someone is here. Check the tunnel. I don't see anyone.
Must be rocks.
Tomorrow, we are following those 2 trucks. We must find out where they get the scrap metal. Then we have to go back to the tunnels to follow the garbage train. It will lead us to the main boss.
Hey, watch it! Fill them up with the scrap. Hurry, the main boss doesn't like to wait.
Go! No time to waste. You don't want to upset the main boss.
Next, fill this bus up. Cops! Go, Ivan, go!
We blew our cover. Let's get them.
Everybody scatter!
I'm going after Biff. You try to get Ivan.
How about this, Cooper?
Dad, how are you doing? I'm still trying to get Biff.
I think Ivan is going back to the tunnels.
I wouldn't want to touch this, detective.
I'll be there as soon as I get these guys. You're under arrest. Biff, you're next.
No, not again!
Biff, you're under arrest. I'll have a real tow truck pull you over this concrete and take you straight to jail. Dent, I'm on my way. Where are you?
Cooper! Ivan went into the tunnels and locked the entrance door. I need your help.
1, 2, 3, go!
Boss from this tunnel. Tell him the police are coming. Hurry! I'll try to stop them. You'll never get rust!
Be careful, Dent.
Stop immediately.
What? No! No! No!
You're under arrest. Team, this villain car is under arrest.
Let's take this tunnel and pay a visit to the mastermind.
What's his name?
I don't know. No one's ever seen him before.
What is this place?
I think it's an old recycling plant. It's clearly not being used for recycling anymore. Trash is everywhere.
Can I help you, officers?
You are both under arrest.
What? I cannot hear you, officer.
You and Ivan are under arrest.
Me? For what?
For stealing trash and scrap metal. For polluting the city.
For stealing trash? Ivan, you know what to do.
I don't think so, officers.
I wouldn't touch it. No time to talk about your nature. If you look around, you can see that we don't care about your nature. Have a good day. I must go to the bank. I'm ready.
Boss, you look great.
I feel great. Ivan, follow me to the bank.
Stop, right now.
Well, Cooper, go ahead and try to stop me. That's what I thought.
We must follow them and try to stop them.
How?
I'm calling for backup.
Great job, boss.
Now, let's burn more trash and go full speed out of here.
What's your plan, Cooper?
First, we're stopping Ivan so the robot will lose its electric shield. Then, we must pull the big pins that hold its wheels and claws.
Low power.
Oh, no.
Low
Not
power.
again.
Dent, try to pull the pins out. First the robot's claws, and then the wheels. We must hurry. Pull the pins now. There's a traffic jam in front. Go.
What? Cooper!
Oh no, we must stop it somehow. There's a traffic jam in front. You're under arrest.
What is your name?
Everyone calls me the main boss.
The main boss? Don't worry, we'll find out your real name soon. Well, main boss, it looks like nature just saved you. If not for these two trees.
You and your accomplices have a big mess to clean up. Thank you, Toby. You're a real city hero. Thank you for being with us. Let's keep our cities